This video is brought to you guys by Public because Public is one out of 3 brokerages that do not sell your order flows to companies like Citadel. The only 2 brokerages besides Public is Fidelity and Merrill Lynch. So if you guys are not signed up with Public, sign up for Public, link down below in the description. No need to even deposit a single dollar, and you don't even have to link a bank account to get your free stock. Now, with that being said, guys, let's get into the video, and happy Father's Day. But in this video, we have to talk about the dangers to the apes and what these institutional and hedge funds are trying to do to drag the attention away from AMC. We're specifically going to take a look at this article that is pointing out 16 potential short squeeze stocks, but we already know what will happen to these stocks. Give it 1 day a rally or 2 days to rally, and they're going to come crashing down, just like I called out on the channel with Orphazyme stock, and people did not like that. But I hope a couple people did get some great information out of that video and heeded to the warning that I was presenting. This video got 11 dislikes out of 59 likes. This is one of my worst likes to dislikes ratio. So we're going to be going over all the dangers you guys need to know. AMC is most definitely the only momentum stock I am personally investing in. So with all of that being said, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to help the movement and to ultimately help push this video out to more apes that need to hear this. They get a little FOMO itch. You got to stop that itch as soon as it comes, guys. It's all bad news. But AMC, on the other hand, is tried and tested. Look at this beautiful technical pattern we have going on, looking for the next leg up. And I would be very surprised if we don't see that leg up to 60, 70, 80, 90, $100 by this upcoming week. Now, keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor or a financial planner. I wear pink flannel suits because my daughter is 10 months old tomorrow. That's what it is. We talk about stocks on YouTube, hopefully to help push this information out to as many people as possible and give them the information they do not learn in schooling. So with that being said, guys, let's take a look at this article. It says 16 short squeeze targets in the stock market, including Canoe, Tootsie Roll, and a prison operator. Now, this might not be news to some of you guys. Some of you guys might be well aware of the dangers that are being spread essentially by these news outlets and people writing these articles like the one we are looking at right now. But some people aren't. Some people actually listen to these articles, read these articles, and buy these stocks. Yes, you might see a gain one day and then it comes down 20 to 30%, completely wiping out your 10% or whatever the case is. Whatever your gain is, you're ultimately going to lose it, because what is the number one factor that is different between AMC and all of these other stocks? I'll wait. AMC is owned by us. 85 to 90% owned by the apes, and we are diamond handing. We are not selling. So when supply and demand comes into effect, there is way less supply driving the price up because everybody is holding, and there is even more demand with people trying to buy in. So we are essentially making the price go up just by holding, whereas these other stocks are 80 to 85, 90% institutionally owned. As soon as they get the chance to sell out a lot of these bad stocks for much more than they paid for them right after these major rallies we've seen, especially Orphazyme, they're going to take that opportunity. They're gonna dump their shares on you guys. And the last thing I want to see you guys do is get interested in stocks. Like, I know a lot of you guys have just gotten to the stock market. Get interested in finance and stocks and growing your wealth for the future, and have it turned around because you read an article and they were lying to you, trying to drive your attention away from AMC. AMC is the only stock, a momentum stock, that you should ever be buying. Now, that is obviously not a financial, advice or nothing, but statistically, the facts are here that everybody talks about. It's pretty obvious to somebody that's been in the stock market for so long as I have. I've been in the stock market since about 2018, in the beginning, around the first cannabis bubble, beginning of 2018. So when you see this stuff, we all know what is going on. But this is a huge red flag to all the apes that maybe you're newer, maybe you think some of these do have potential. Just don't fall for it. Don't fall for how sweet and sweet they make the articles, right? I could go on and on about this, but I don't want to focus on it too much. I do want to talk about some of these stocks, right? GEO Group, 35%. We have On Track, Pet Med Express, Aspirin Therapeutics, Altimer Growth Corp, ThreadUp Inc., Fulgent Genetics, Canoe, Albertsons Companies, Cell SCI Corporation, AMC Networks, Tootsie Roll Industries, B&G Foods, Carports, Invito Pharmaceuticals, Cortazine, I don't even know how to say that. I'm bad with pharmaceutical names, guys. Please bear with me. But the point of this is, when you are seeing articles like this, that is a red flag not to buy it. They're trying to draw your attention away. Now, in certain cases, like I have trades in CCIV because I know there's 3 major catalysts coming up, which I don't want to get into too much in this video. Obviously, this is not a video about CCIV, but I do have trades in that because it's a long-term investment for me, and I do have a lot of shares in that, so that is okay if you could feasibly see it as a long-term investment, right? If it's a trade for you, then odds are you'll get left holding the bag. And I have about 300 AMC shares that I have no plans on selling. We are part of the movement. We are changing the financial institutions for the rest of our lives, right? Your kids will have more transparency when they come to investing age. Daughter's 10 months old. In 17 years, when she can start investing, she'll be investing before that, right? I'll get the parental, guardian account for her. But still, nevertheless, everything will be more translucent and transparent then, and that is something worth fighting for, at least from my point of view. So this is really a message just telling you guys to beware of everything you do see. Yeah, Tootsie Roll, they're going to show all these graphs and charts, big run up. That doesn't mean it's gonna happen again. It's stagnant, right? It's not even hitting higher highs like AMC, and you could do this for all of these stocks. Whatever, do whatever you want. I'm just giving you guys this information. It really heats me up that they're actually trying to drive the momentum away from AMC when that has everything going for it, and none of these companies do. Sure, they have a high short interest. Workhorse has a 53% short interest. That was not on this list. I wonder why. You got to question some of these articles, and it really makes me mad. I hope this video gets out to somebody that looked at this article or some of these other articles and are seriously considering buying shares in these companies. It's a bad move if you do ask me myself. But what do I know? I'm a random guy on YouTube. So that is just spreading the message for you guys. That is going to wrap up this video. I wanted to keep it nice, short, and sweet as I possibly could. So if you guys want to do your part in pushing this video out to more people, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, as well as comment down below. All 3 of those things help you guys do your part to get this information out to as many people as possible. Next week is going to be absolutely insane. I cannot wait until tomorrow. I feel like a kid on Christmas. I just want to go to bed as soon as possible to wake up to the markets. So with all that being said, make sure to check out the link down below for public, as well as the buy and sell alerts. Every time I make a trade, you will be notified. Trust me, it's not going to be in any one of these stocks, but you'll be notified as soon as we make a trade. We just hit a 500% winning trade from $44 to $264, as well as multiple 100% winning trades last week alone. So it pays for itself over and over and over and over again, and you get to join a great community that sources information all day long and likes to talk about stocks and what's coming up next, all that good stuff. So check out the links down below. I will see you guys later. Have a great Father's Day. Until next time, take care.